What's that, maiden? I've just bought a new collated screwdriver. Senco DS7525-AC. It looks like a laser gun. Quasar. I just took the plunge. This is the most affordable one that you can get out there. Variable adjustment. So you push this little button here and you can go for different depths. Two nose pieces. This second one, it's got like a little grip on it. Quick release for your bit. Variable depth. Push this. You can wind it in and out. Forward and reverse switch. You've got your variable speed trigger there and a lock. You got your belt hoop as well. It's all good. The cord's about 3.3 meters, so I have got a single gan cord. It's got an automatic clutch on it to stop once you've got it a certain depth. Sounds nice. That didn't screw all the way in. Tony's just realised I might have had it on reverse. What an absolute plonker. Forward and reverse switch. I'm just a DIY, you know what I mean? Right, that works better. Why didn't I realise that? I'm just banging in these screws going, what's going on? If you're interested in the self-build and idiotic things that I do, then please do subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thanks for watching. See you later.